Scene script. Greetings to all curious minds out there. Ever wondered what a world with only females would look like? Imagine a realm where males are a thing of the past and the future is entirely female. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, strap in and prepare to embark on a journey into this fascinating hypothetical world. Our exploration starts with a natural phenomenon that makes this scenario possible. It's called parthenogenesis, a form of asexual reproduction where embryos develop from unfertilized egg cells. This process occurs in nature, in certain plants, algae, and invertebrate animals, and even a few vertebrates. In these species, life springs from a solitary female without the need for a male counterpart. But what if this process could occur in all species, including humans? What if every creature on Earth could reproduce independently, carrying forth generations of females? Picture it, a world teeming with life, where every living being is a daughter, a mother, a grandmother, a world where the cycle of life is carried on solely by the female of the species. Now, this isn't just a whimsical journey of the mind, it's an exploration of science, nature, and the potential of life itself. We'll delve into the history of parthenogenesis, how it occurs in nature, and its potential impacts on our planet. But before we venture further, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. This is your ticket to a world of intriguing content, where curiosity is the compass that guides us. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the history of parthenogenesis and how it occurs in nature. This is only the beginning. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Diving back in time, parthenogenesis is no new phenomenon. This intriguing form of asexual reproduction, where embryos develop from unfertilized egg cells, has been present in the natural world for countless generations. The origins of parthenogenesis are shrouded in the mists of time, but we know that this remarkable process has been a part of life on Earth for hundreds of millions of years. The earliest recorded instances of parthenogenesis are found in ancient fossil records, indicating that this form of reproduction has been a successful survival strategy for a vast array of species throughout evolutionary history. Over time, parthenogenesis has been observed in a wide variety of life forms, from the simplest of organisms to the most complex. It occurs naturally in certain types of plants and algae, in a myriad of invertebrate animals like bees, wasps, and aphids, and even in some vertebrates such as lizards, snakes, and sharks. Each one of these species has, in its own way, harnessed the power of parthenogenesis to ensure its survival and propagation. But parthenogenesis is not just a quirk of nature, it's a testament to the sheer versatility and adaptability of life. Some species use it as their exclusive means of reproduction, while others switch between sexual reproduction and parthenogenesis depending on environmental conditions. This ability to adapt and change reproductive strategies is a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity. In the grand tapestry of life, parthenogenesis is but one thread, yet it's a thread that has woven itself into the very fabric of our planet's biodiversity. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, and a reminder that nature's toolbox is vast and varied. But how exactly does this process occur in nature? Let's explore. From plants to algae, invertebrates to a few vertebrates, the magic of parthenogenesis is widespread. This incredible phenomenon of asexual reproduction, where embryos develop from unfertilized egg cells, is nature's own magic trick. A trick that allows a single parent, typically a female, to reproduce offspring without the need for fertilization by a male. In the natural world, parthenogenesis is more common than you might think. Some plants, algae, and invertebrates have made this their primary mode of reproduction. Even a few vertebrates, such as certain species of lizards, snakes, and birds, have been known to reproduce this way, and it's not just a one-size-fits-all process. Parthenogenesis can occur through two distinct methods: mitotic oogenesis or meiosis. Mitotic oogenesis is a process in which the egg cell divides and duplicates itself without changing the number of chromosomes. This means that the offspring produced are genetically identical to the mother, much like a natural clone. On the other hand, meiosis is a process that splits the number of chromosomes in half. The resulting offspring from meiosis are not identical to the mother, but they still carry a significant portion of her genetic material. In the case of automictic parthenogenesis, where meiosis is involved, nature has devised a way to restore the full number of chromosomes. This restoration of diploidy, as it's called, ensures that the offspring have the same number of chromosomes as the parent, maintaining genetic stability across generations. Each type of automixis that takes place influences the genetic composition of the offspring. This diversity in genetic outcome is what allows species that reproduce through parthenogenesis to adapt and evolve over time. This fascinating process raises a question: what could be the impact on Earth if all species reproduced this way? Stay tuned as we delve into the implications of a world dominated by female reproduction in our next segment. A world with only females all reproducing via parthenogenesis would undoubtedly have profound implications. Let's dive into some of these implications. First and foremost, biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life on our planet, and it's essential for the survival of all species. In a world of females all reproducing asexually, biodiversity could be at risk. You see, sexual reproduction allows for the mixing of genes, which creates genetic variation and promotes biodiversity. Next, let's talk about genetic variation. Genetic variation is the raw material for evolution. It's what allows species to adapt to changing environments, to fight off diseases, and to evolve over time. In a world of only females, all offspring would essentially be clones of their mothers. This lack of genetic variation could make species more vulnerable to diseases and less able to adapt to changes in their environment. But there's a flip side. Some species can switch between sexual reproduction and parthenogenesis. This flexibility can be a survival strategy, allowing a species to reproduce even when males are scarce. As we come to a close, let's recap what we've learned today. Today, we've taken a journey into a world of females, exploring the fascinating process of parthenogenesis. We've delved into its history, tracing the evolution of this unique form of asexual reproduction through time. We've seen how this concept is not just a figment of imagination, but a reality in the natural world, showcased by certain plants, algae, and invertebrate animals. We've also pondered the implications of a world dominated by parthenogenesis, where every individual is a female. A world where genetic diversity may be compromised, yet the continuity of species is maintained in a way different than what we're used to. In essence, we've peeked into an alternative reality, a testament to the fascinating diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises, of variations that challenge our understanding and broaden our horizons. Thank you for joining this journey of discovery. Remember to subscribe and share, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.